Hi, I'm David Dunlop, and you're with me in my studio in Wilton, Connecticut. It's here that I hope you can join me in October for three different Zoom classes, three different Tuesdays. Those three Tuesdays, I'm going to demonstrate landscapes of autumn. So, from forests to shorelines to streams and lakes, we'll consider autumn. I'm also going to discuss art history, issues of cognition and perception, take you through design developments, see what's happening in contemporary ideas. Now, in each one of these shows, you may submit a picture for critiquing. It's optional. On your work with digital drawing tools, I will make suggestions for perhaps perspective, perception, glazing. So you get a lot of ideas. Now, you get access to the entire program, including the critiquing, later because we make a recording available to you. All you need to do is register at daviddunlop.com for our October Zoom classes. I hope I'll see you there.